Hello, my name is Mark Simons and I'm the Principal Consultant at EL Consult, Building Sustainability Consultants. Today, I want to talk to you about sustainability reports, or assessments as they're otherwise known, what they are and when you need them. Sustainability reports are now a requirement of local councils in respect of any planning application. They look at the sustainability of a given project and how the design incorporates sustainability. Now, the key areas that a sustainability report look at are the energy efficiency of any project and the renewable technologies that are going to be used on it. Obviously, there are sometimes restrictions on what renewable technologies can be used. That might be because the building's listed or it's a conservation area, and the economic benefit is also considered in relation to what technologies can be used. But obviously it needs to be considered that nowadays, to comply with building regulations, you need to have a renewable technology on any new build project, really, as a given. I mean, the insulation, the U values, the thermal bridging also need to be assessed, and all of these things are done in the SAP calculations, which are something that's done with any sustainability report as well, to assess the impact of the design of the building on the sustainability and to ensure it complies with current building regulations. The core elements of a sustainability report include the procurement of building materials, recycling of waste, there'll be a flood risk assessment, there'll be an assessment of the biodiversity and the impact on the ecology of the local site, and all these elements are taken into account in the report to ensure it complies with current guidelines and good practice. Each council will have a core policy document that will obviously indicate the areas that they are most concerned with, and if there's any specific areas that they want you to engage in. And different councils have different metrics, so it is important to look at the core policy guideline. But anyway, your sustainability consultant will do this for you. This is a brief overview. I mean, it is important to understand that any project nowadays has to address sustainability, but it doesn't need to be seen as a sort of a compliance issue, even though it is, because on a business level, sustainability makes sense because it ensures that the building is cost effective, and to any purchaser that's something that they want to know. It ensures that the comfort levels are good, so the building's not overheated, it breathes, it's comfortable to live in. So all these are very good areas that can be considered in terms of the marketing of the property, and the cost impact of sustainability is nowadays marginal because the renewable technologies are a lot more affordable, and it's the sustainability for a bit of extra insulation, it's not significant. And many big commercial operations now are going over what they need to do. They're doing more than that because they know it's a very good sales point, and so I'd say engage on the sustainability, and you'll benefit from it in the end. Anyway, if you'd like to talk about a project you're working on and you'd like any advice, feel free to give us a call. Our number is 0208 930 5668, or feel free to drop us an email. Thank you for listening.